The Generation to Filtration G2F LP series is a simple, cost-effective method of prolonging oil life, reducing engine wear, and helping you help the environment. In this video, we shall demonstrate to you step by step just how simple a typical installation is. This install is being performed by a G2F technician and assisted by the company's maintenance personnel. When installing the G2F unit, the first step is always safety. Make sure all safety rules, regulations, and lockout procedures are followed. Ensure that the engine is sufficiently cooled to prevent burn injuries. It is recommended that you perform a complete oil filter change on the engine before installing the G2F system. This installation features a Komatsu WA380 loader. Choose a convenient place to locate the G2F unit, assuring there is sufficient clearance above each unit to facilitate the G2F element change. In this case, we are mounting the G2F unit on an outside frame location for easy access. Mount G2F bracket as vertically square as possible, and using the bracket as a template, mark the holes, drill the holes, and mount the bracket. Now you can mount the unit to the bracket using the hardware supplied. Now we can begin to connect the G2F unit to the engine's lubrication system. On this particular engine, the return drain port is a spare plug in the oil pan. Remove the spare plug and insert the appropriate steel adapter. Now for pressure, remove the plug that is on top of the main oil filter head and insert the appropriate steel adapter. We will now measure the hose lengths required for the pressure. Run the hose from the main oil filter head to the inlet of the G2F unit. For the drain hose, run the hose from the oil pan adapter to the outlet of the G2F unit. Ensure the lay of the hoses will lie in a natural curvature. Then, mark the length as needed. Next, we will cut the hose and make up the hose assemblies. Then add a bit of oil to the hose coupler, which will allow for ease of assembly. Insert the reusable ferrules to the hose ends and turn counterclockwise until the ferrule is flush with the end of the hose. Next, insert the hose coupler clockwise until it bottoms up on the ferrule. Blow out the hose assemblies with high pressure air, ensuring all debris is removed. Now install the hose assemblies to their proper location, assuring the hoses are secure and fastened with cable ties. Now that the installation is complete, run the engine until the G2F unit gets warm to touch to ensure that the oil is flowing properly, and also check to ensure that the G2F unit and all hose assemblies are secure and that there is no leakage. With the G2F unit fully installed, you can now operate knowing that you have a cleaner running engine, saving wear and tear on your equipment, with the opportunity to extend your oil drain intervals while lending a helping hand to the environment. For more complete detailed instructions on how to install the G2F low pressure unit, please refer to our G2F LP series installation manual available through your G2F local representative.